Hello to Rhulani Insights. I'm here with Sean. Hello. We are standing in our
family
suite. It's a bit a mess, unfortunately, but this blog shows you behind the scenes of Rhulani, and we are doing currently some work. So Sean, first, before we go to show what we are actually doing, here is the big mess. So what is that for, Sean?
This is all the last equipment needed for the new bathrooms that we're currently installing in the family suite.
Okay, new bathrooms. As you know, we have already seen in former blogs, and you see it on our photo gallery, we have all renovated bathrooms, and so the family suite is the last one.
Correct.
That we do. So let's have a look. What is the current status of work? Let's go maybe in. Yeah, you can go ahead. Okay. This is what is currently be done. So Sean, what is going to be done here?
Oh, we still need to install the bathtub, which is going to go over here. And then the beautiful floating island basins will be here as well. And then now we've actually put an inside shower and an outside shower, which is a new addition to the bathrooms in the rooms.
Yeah, this is interesting. To be honest, it was a bit difficult maybe for a family in cold winter times just to have a bathtub, but the shower was outside.
Correct.
So as part of this renovation, we planned really to build this new inside shower, and it is exactly in the same design as we have in all the other rooms. Yeah, let's quickly go outside. So,
I can have a shower.
You can. No, you don't have to. No. Okay, that would be a funny block, right? But this is the outside shower,
Yes.
and yeah, here is basically then, yeah, we have a lot of greens now and trees, so you don't see anything, but you shouldn't actually. It's an outside shower, right?
Well, hopefully it's in that one.
Okay. Oh, we forgot also the place for the toilet.
Oh yes, that'll be going over here.
Okay.
Perfectly set up here with the new heated towel racks as well.
Good. So when will it be finished, this one?
Well, hopefully by the end of next week. So by the 20th of December, hopefully we'll be finished and the new guests will be in here.
Okay, good. This blog anyway appears only in 2020, so
whenever
you see this, then it's already done. But I wanted to show you the work.
Well, it's our last week of the construction.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, I hope you liked it. That was Rhulani Insights. Bye-bye.
Bye.